In today's lesson, we'll learn about and practice writing and simplifying algebraic expressions using models, meeting the requirements for TEKS 67C and 67D. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase. If your mathematical phrase has a variable and an operator, it's an algebraic expression. Now, of course, that expression could also have coefficients and constants. But if it has a variable and an operator, it is an algebraic expression. So is x plus 3 an algebraic expression? Absolutely. It has a variable and an operator. It just so happens to also have a constant. A constant is a number written on its own. It's called a constant because that number will constantly have the same value. The value of this number will always be 3. Is 3x plus 7 an algebraic expression? Yes, it is. It has a variable and an operator. In this case, it also has a constant, 7, as well as a coefficient of 3. The coefficient is a number that sits immediately in front of a variable and multiplies that variable. 3x is the same as 3 times x. 3x plus 7 is an algebraic expression. Is 4w over 4 an algebraic expression? It sure is. I have a variable, w. I have an operator, my fraction bar, which means division. Don't forget, a fraction is a division problem. If I have a variable and an operator, I have an algebraic expression. In this one, I also happen to have a constant of 4 and a coefficient of 4, which is multiplying the variable of w. 4w over 4 is an algebraic expression. Here is another algebraic expression. I have a variable, I have an operator, I have an algebraic expression. I model expressions by using green rectangles to represent positive variables, yellow circles to represent positive integers, red rectangles to represent negative variables, and red circles to represent negative integers. 3x or positive 3x would be 3 green rectangles. Plus 6 or positive 6 would be 6 yellow counters. Minus 2x or negative 2x would be 2 red rectangles, while minus 4 or negative 4 would be 4 red counters. Using this picture, I just want to remind us of some terminology, some language of the discipline. The x is a variable. The add and subtract operators, right? So, operators. The 3 and the 2 are coefficients. Coefficients. They multiply the variable they sit in front of. And then finally, the constants. Constants are numbers. They can be positive or negative, so constants are integers that sit entirely by themselves. They're not multiplying variables, they're not written with variables, they're entirely on their own. They have a constant value. That's why they're called constants. Now, I have the same algebraic expression. I removed the models for a moment because I want to make one more point. Yes, x is a variable, and the 3 and the 2 are coefficients, and the 6 and the 4 are constants. That's true. We also know that the operators, adding and subtracting, are inside of our expression as well. One more point I want to make. The things I've underlined in blue are also known as terms. So 4 is a constant and a term, just like you can be a boy and a human. The 2x has a coefficient and a variable, but together they make a term, the term 2x. 6 is a constant and a term, and 3x is a coefficient and variable and a term. Terms are every piece of an expression that is separated by an operator. So you'll notice that 3x is separated from 6 by the operator of addition. 6 is separated from 2x by the operator of subtraction. And 2x is separated by 4 by the operator of subtraction. Everything separated by an operator is a term. A term can be made up of variables, constants, and coefficients. So we've agreed that 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus 4 is an algebraic expression made up of variables, operators, constants, and coefficients, where each thing separated by an operator is considered a term. Now let's talk about like terms. So for example, if I've underlined all 4 terms, you may already realize some of these terms are alike. For example, here's a constant, here's another one. If I have like terms, I can combine them to simplify my expression. Just like 3x, a coefficient with the variable x, is a like term with 2x, a coefficient with the variable x. I'm going to combine like terms to simplify my expression. Here we have our original algebraic expression, modeled. Now I'm going to simplify this expression using the models. You'll remember that when I tried to combine integers, positives, and negatives, I was able to eliminate 0 pairs. By crossing out a positive and a negative, I eliminated 0. In other words, I took away nothing. I didn't change the value. So if I did that with each pair, I would find I would eventually be left only with these 2 constants, plus 2 or positive 2. Just like if I eliminated a 0 pair of variables, a green x for positive and a red x for negative would make a 0 pair. I've eliminated 0. A green x for positive and a red x for negative, once again, I haven't changed any value. I've simply eliminated a 0 pair. The only thing remaining is this x right here. So if I read my models, I have x and I have plus or positive 2. So that 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus 4 modeled below is equivalent or the same value as the simplified expression of x plus 2. Here's another algebraic expression. The first thing we're going to do is model it. So 2x. 2x requires 2 green rectangles standing on end. That's 2x. Plus 4, or positive 4. Well, that's 4 yellow counters. 4 positives. Plus 3x, or positive 3x, means I need 3 more green rectangles, one representing each of the positive x's. Minus 2, or negative 2, means I need 2 red counters, one for each negative integer, negative 2. This is my model of this algebraic expression. And now I want to simplify by combining like terms. 2x is a term, plus 4, or 4 is a term, 3x is a term, and 2 is a term. I'm going to combine like terms. I see I have x as a variable here and here, so I can combine these. I have 5 green rectangles. 5 green rectangles model 5x. I now have yellow and red counters, positive and negative integers. I need to eliminate any and all 0 pairs. I only have remaining 2 positive counters to represent the constant of 2, or positive 2, which we will write as plus 2. So that 2x plus 4 plus 3x minus 2 is equivalent to the simplified algebraic expression of 5x plus 2. These two expressions have absolutely the same value. Let's try another example. In this case, 2y minus 3 minus y plus 2 is an algebraic expression. We know so long as we have a variable, and we do, we have y, and an operator, and we do, we have subtraction, we also have addition. If we have a variable and an operator, we have an algebraic expression. Now, in this particular case, we also have terms. We have terms 2y, negative 3, negative y, and positive 2 are all terms. In order to simplify this algebraic expression, I'm going to combine like terms. So for example, I see that 2y and negative y are like terms. They both share the same variable. I also see that negative 3 and positive 2 are like terms. They're both constants. So if I were to go ahead and model this expression, I would model 2y with 2 green rectangles representing the variable 2y. I would model negative 3 with 3 red counters. I would model negative y with 1 red rectangle to represent the negative variable. And I would then model positive 2 with 2 yellow counters. I've now modeled this expression. I see the like terms. I'm going to combine those like terms in order to simplify this expression. When I combine like terms, in this particular case, I can eliminate 0 pairs. In other words, I have 2 green rectangles and 1 red one. If I eliminate a green rectangle and a red rectangle, 1 positive and 1 negative, then I've eliminated 0. I've done nothing to change the value of the expression. I've taken away 0, a 0 pair. We already know we can do the same thing with integers. I can eliminate a negative counter and a positive, a negative counter and a positive, and all I've done is eliminated 0 pairs. I've made no change in the value of the expression. And if I simply rewrite this expression with what's remaining in the model, I have y minus 1. I have y minus 1 as my equivalent expression, my simplified expression, so that I recognize that 2y minus 3 minus y plus 2 is equivalent to y minus 1. Let's do one last example. 3y minus 4 plus 5 minus y is an algebraic expression. We know this because it has a variable, y. It also has at least one operator. In this case, I have subtraction and addition. I notice that 3y, negative 4, positive 5, and negative y are all terms. 3y and negative y are like terms. They both share the same variable of y. Negative 4 and positive 5 are both like terms as well. They are constants. I can model this expression. 3y is modeled by 3 green rectangles, each one representing a positive variable of y. Negative 4 is modeled with 4 red counters. And positive 5 is modeled with 5 yellow counters. While negative y is modeled with 1 red rectangle to represent the negative variable of negative y. Now I know that when I simplify an expression, one of the things I can do is eliminate 0 pairs. If I eliminate 1 green rectangle and one red rectangle, I've eliminated 0. I've made no change to the value of this expression. And if I did the same with the counters, 1 negative for 1 positive, 1 negative for 1 positive, a negative and a positive, a negative and a positive, I would now have simplified my expression using models and could rewrite the equivalent expression using what remains in my models. And in this case, I still have 2y, and at the same time, I have positive 1. So that 3y minus 4 plus 5 minus y is equivalent or the same value as 2y plus 1.